I want to show you 3 simple methods to cut and trim your video clips. The first way is really straightforward. Just grab the start or end of your clip and drag it towards or back. You'll see a small red icon appear as you do this. This method is cool for trimming the outer edges of your video. In case if you want to remove a section from the middle of your clip, you have to select the razor tool. You can click on it directly, or if you're like me and love keyboard shortcuts, just hit the letter C to activate it and V to disable. Now you can make cuts anywhere in your video. The third method is all about using a keyboard command to make cuts. To do this, select the clip, move your timeline slider to the point where you want to cut, then press Ctrl+K on your keyboard and you'll have your cut. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.